Welcome to my holiday house decor video. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl, AmandaEnsing, and today we are decorating my house for Christmas. It's my favorite time of year. Being in LA and being away from my family, it's definitely like kind of lonely during the holiday time, and it always makes me feel better to like decorate my space, decorate my living room and my dining room, and just make everything look very festive until I get to go home for the holidays and see my family. So I love decorating for Christmas and I love home decor so much, so I figured I'd switch it up from beauty today to have something that was home decor. Pretty much all of my decor is from HomeGoods or Target. Some stuff is from Hobby Lobby, but a lot of the stuff I've had the last 2 years, and then I did go to HomeGoods and pick up a few new things just to be able to switch it up and add a little bit of different colors. So that's what we're doing today. If you're new to my channel, make sure to hit subscribe down below and turn your post notifications on. And also don't forget to thumbs up the video and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what your favorite part about Christmas is. So let's get started. So this is what we're working with. This little pot used to have a fiddle tree in it that sadly died, RIP, so we don't have anything in that right now, but I am about to Christmasify this whole place. This little plant is where the tree is going to go. I want to decorate all of this space as well as my little entry table. I just got this entry table not too long ago, so I haven't really decorated it that much yet. Also going to do the dining room, which is a little bit of a mess right now. Aspen, are you excited? Let's do Christmas? Molly, let's do Christmas. Are you excited? Let's go do it. Let's go. Do you want to go? Do you want to decorate? Let's do it. Okay, let's do it. This is my Christmas box. I have stuff from the last 2 years in here. And then I also went to HomeGoods and bought a few little things over here. All of my ornaments are from HomeGoods and Target. These two I got at HomeGoods last year and the year before, and then my other ones from Target I got again in the last 2 years. So we're just gonna reuse. I think I'm gonna do mainly gold this year. These ornaments I got from Target. I think I got these ones last year, and this one I got 2 years ago. No ornament left behind. Last one, you guys. Now where to put it? I added this little garland to the TV stand. This also was from HomeGoods. So I have this idea. I bought these little cups at HomeGoods today, and I thought about putting one on each step with a little LED light, like a little tea light. Let's see how it looks. All right, it looks so cute. I like it. All right, now I'm gonna work on the entry table. I think I'm just gonna put a mirror here, a little wreath. I saw some cute ideas on Pinterest, so I'm gonna try to make it happen. All right, so now I'm gonna decorate the dining room. Last year I did silver. I think I'm gonna do gold because all of our stuff in here is kind of like a gold bronzy, and the chairs have like a rose gold. So let's set the table. All right, also I got this cute pillow today at HomeGoods. I thought it was festive, but still neutral. Molly, what do we think? She's like, I'm tired, Mom. I don't know, I just kind of feel like something's missing. That is much better. Oh my goodness, the cutest girls ever. With all the lights out, it is so cozy in here. We got the tree, I've got the light behind the TV. We have the stairs. On the entry table, I have another tea light and then the little fairy lights. I actually got these at Nordstrom. And then in the dining room, oh my gosh, it's doing like, look, a little bow on the ceiling. How cool is that? We have just this one little light here. Now it is time for some salted caramel hot chocolate. It wouldn't be Christmas without some hot chocolate, so I'm gonna make some salted caramel hot chocolate and I'm gonna show you how I do it. So I'm gonna froth some milk. I'm gonna put it on the highest heat setting and the lowest froth setting. It's just a fancy way to heat up the milk, but you can also use a microwave and you can use milk or water and you can heat it up in the microwave or use a stovetop. Take your caramel and line the bottom of your cup. Now you're gonna stir the milk with the cocoa powder. Next, we're gonna add the marshmallows. And now you're gonna add some whip. Now we're gonna drizzle caramel on top, add a little bit of sea salt, and we are done. And that is salted caramel hot chocolate. So good. All right, you guys, so that is it for my holiday decor video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to hit subscribe, comment down below, and Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. Say bye. Molly, do you want to say bye? Do you want to say bye? Molly's like, do you want to say bye? Come say bye. Say bye. She's like, all right. And that's